As you are building your forever business, you will hear the term case credit or CC used regularly to describe the requirements for different achievements or incentives in the marketing plan. But what is a case credit? A case credit is Forever's internal currency that allows you to build a global business without worrying about exchange rates. This provides an equal opportunity for anyone anywhere in the world to achieve all that the company has to offer. In each country that Forever does business, a case credit value is assigned. In the United States, one case credit equals $215 US. In Canada, one case credit is equal to 283 Canadian dollars. Each product is assigned a case credit value depending on its retail sales price. Now that you understand the value of a case credit and how case credit value is calculated for products, let's talk about how they factor into the marketing plan. 4 case credits is a business-building discipline at the heart of Forever's marketing plan. Any Forever business owner who achieves 4 case credits of sales in a month is considered active. Being active allows an FBO to unlock the full earning potential of the marketing plan and its key incentives and earn team-leading bonuses. Of the 4 case credits required to be active, 1 CC must be personal use, the other 3 case credits can be made up from your retail sales or Nova's customer sales. This allows you to achieve your 4 CC goals in multiple ways, whether you are building a retail business or a team. Building your business on a 4 case credit discipline and teaching your team to do the same will not only ensure that you can personally speak to the power of the products and understand how to retail them, but will also help you build a strong, consistent business. While this may seem like a complicated concept at first, understanding case credits and the importance of being 4 case credit active will quickly become an intuitive part of building your business.